But honestly, guys, you need to start looking for skis. Go over to Classifieds on Watercraft Journal. About 6 years ago, we partnered with PWC Trader, BoatTrader.com. You ever heard of BoatTrader.com? Ever heard of Auto Trader, Truck Trader, RV Trader? It's the biggest freaking classified network on the globe. Go to Classifieds, click Find Jet Skis, type Select, Personal Watercraft. Okay, great. All makes. What the hell? I'll go to all makes. Minimum price, maximum price. I'm feeling froggy. Let's just do it. Within 150 miles, I'll enter my zip code. Here we go. Hit search. Well, looky here. Within 150 miles, I found pages and pages and pages and pages. And the next 10. Here we go. Well, look at this. 2014 Wake Pro 155, $10,000. EXR 11,000. Love me the EXR. Bitch and ski. These are all in stock. These are not orders. These are here. Oh, look at that. We got a Trix. More Trixes. Lots of tricks. More Trixes with a sound system and IVR. Guys, it's all there. It's all there. So, yeah. And you can sit there and you can change, you can change all your settings. You can change your filters. You can say, I only want to spend $10,000. I only want to spend $5,000, whatever. Okay. You can do that. That's easy. But it's all there at watercraftjournal.com. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.